Qwen 3 Coder has just been dropped by Alibaba, and it is the first open-weight model that actually stands toe-to-toe with the programming performance of Claude 4. It is specifically designed for coding. It has been trained on 7.5 trillion tokens, and almost 70% of them are code. It's clear that while the frontier models market is being dominated by America, the open-source side is falling into Chinese hands. Meta was leaning toward the open-source side, but recently the rumors are that they're thinking of backtracking. And at the exact same time, the White House just published its official AI action plan, which actively encourages open-weight releases. Anyway, having been trained on a massive dataset of code, Qwen 3 Coder works with 358 different coding languages, which is just a massive advantage if you're working with some hyper-niche alien language. The data that has been used to train Qwen 3 Coder is not the low-quality internet data. What they did is they used their previous model, Qwen 2.5 Coder, to clean up and rewrite the data before feeding it to the AI, which significantly increases the quality of the data Qwen 3 Coder learns from. To make the AI solve problems, not just regurgitate code, they used long-horizon reinforcement learning, or Agent RL. It optimizes the AI's internal policy model for complex, multi-step tasks. The AI takes an action, gets a reward or penalty from the environment, and updates its policy. They scaled this by running 20,000 independent coding environments in parallel. In each, an agent had to use tools, execute code, read errors, and make a sequence of decisions. It's a massive distributed feedback loop. This is how it learned to be effective. Since it's open weight, you can download it from Hugging Face, but it might set your wallet and then your house on fire if you try to run their 480 billion parameter model locally. So, for a developer, there are two real paths. The first is through an API key hooked into their new Qwen Code CLI tool, a fork of Google's Gemini CLI. The second is to integrate it directly into your Python projects using a pipeline from the Transformers library for tasks like code generation or fill in the middle.